scrolling around on YouTube and I realized I haven't made a video in over 2 weeks. Now, there's a couple of things I really need to talk to you guys about. First of all, I went to Super A. I'm not sure if you guys know, it's a shop and it's got really, really good clothes, but they're pretty pricey. That just gave me an idea on to make a video today. It's going to be kind of a miniature haul. Everything is from Super A. Let's get to it! So the first thing is this. I got this for $15. It just says Brooklyn 84 New York Champions. Next thing is a jumper I got because for school I need new jumpers because it's coming into winter. Anyway, and it's just white with black, pink. That's it. Another top that I got, which is so cool. I love this one. It's sleeveless. It says Swipe Me and then it's got like a barcode on it. And it's black and white. And then it's got all the numbers and stuff. And it's just like short and you can kind of see down there, so you kind of need to wear a tank top under it or something. Other thing I got, which is kind of similar to this one except it's like different. So this just says Famous on it. It's white and then it's got the sleeves. It's like this one, it's kind of like short and it only goes up to there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I got a new blog. Yeah, I'll put the link in the down bar and you guys can go view my profile and comment on my vlogs. Just gonna be updating things and peace, deuces, yeah, whatever. Okay, bye.